Good morning, children. Welcome to the new video of Moral Science, chapter number 11 in your book, Working for the Common Good. You have studied in the chapter and you already know that to live in a society, we have to take care of each and every person. We cannot do so, but for the majority, we can definitely think about. This can be also said to be working for the common good. Common good, that is a good done for the majority of the people. So in this chapter, I have taken some points in the form of fill in the blanks for you. Common good refers to the benefit or welfare of the dash. So it refers to the welfare of the majority. The government and some NGOs undertake certain dash for the common good of the people. So the government and some of the NGOs, you might have heard, they have taken certain projects for the benefit of the majority of the people. Common good involves the good actions done towards all living beings, including animals, birds, insects, as well as plants. So it is not only done towards human beings, but towards all other living things. For example, animals. So there have been NGOs, you might have heard, they work for the stray dogs. There are certain NGOs which work for the birds. Likewise for insects as well as for plants. Employment guarantee is the scheme of the government which ensures to give employment to the unemployed people. So what is that scheme called which ensures to give employment to the unemployed? It is called employment guarantee. And this scheme, employment guarantee, ensures to employ whom? The unemployed people. Dash refers to the short-term profession or work opportunity at an institution for the people's benefit, for the people's welfare. Fellowship. The term is called fellowship. So you get a definition of fellowship here and explanation. What is fellowship? It refers to the short-term profession, not a long-term, but a short-term profession, maybe 6 months, 2 years, 1 year, or a work opportunity at a certain institution for the people's welfare. The government is trying to provide more dash to the people to reduce poverty. Of course, more jobs. Because if the people get more jobs, more and more people get jobs, more people get employed, definitely they will have a source of income and they will increase the standard of living of their family as well as themselves. So definitely if people are unemployed, poverty will rise. And if people have some work and they get money for that work, definitely it will reduce poverty in the country. The SBI Youth for India program will benefit the dash of India. It will benefit the villages of India. So government of India has started certain SBI Youth for India program and it will benefit the villages of the India. So the rural India will get advanced in certain matters. Dash employs more people in the industrial sector as compared to India. So the country is China. And because of employing more people in industrial sector, China has been successful in reducing the poverty by a great percentage, by a great degree. China's poverty declined because of expanding Dash and Dash enterprises. The answer is because of expanding township and the village enterprises. What is this? This means that townships were built, colonies, townships were built, such projects were started where more and more people of China, the poor people, they got employed and they worked in the industrial sector and in expanding the township in the and the village enterprises, some Businesses were created in villages. Some jobs were created in villages. This ensured decline in the poverty in China. According to Uhuru Kenyatta, unless we set aside dash and focus on the common good, we are going nowhere. This is very true, children. According to this great person, unless we set aside personal interests, if we have personal interests, we become selfish enough for our own needs and own interests, and we don't focus on the common good, it will never lead to a substantial benefit. So we have to set aside, that is, not focus on personal interests, but focus on the common good. Take all the majority of the people, if not all possible, at least majority can be possible to be taken into account for the benefit, and in this way people and society will definitely develop and the country will develop too. Thank you. Revise well.